Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, one of India's leading defense PSU, has 1.84 lakh crore of defense orders in hand. With a legacy of building fighter jets, helicopters, and aeroplanes, HAL has now a renewed growth trajectory. And our research analysts recommend a 19% upside on this stock with a target price of Rs 6,100. Let's break down why this isn't just another defense stock. It's one of the biggest plays on India's defense and aeronautic ambitions. First, the growth. HAL's revenue crossed Rs 30,000 crore in financial year 24 and has remained on the same lines in financial year 25. But this is just the beginning. Execution in the manufacturing segment, especially fighter jets and helicopters, is set to pick up pace. 12 Tejas Mk1 jets will be delivered this year thanks to improved engine supply from GE Aerospace. The ALH Dhruv grounding has also been lifted for the Army and Air Force, giving a clear runway for production. And with better indigenization in projects like MiG-29, Su-30 MKL upgrades and aero engines, HAL is on full throttle mode. Second, the pipeline. Over 1 lakh crore worth of orders are expected in the next 1 to 2 years. This includes 97 more Tejas Mk1 jets, 156 light combat helicopters, 60 naval utility helicopters, and Dornier aircraft production and upgrades. Rs 20,000 crore worth of annual repair and overall contracts are expected as India's defense fleet expands. This pipeline gives HAL one of the most visible long-term growth stories in Indian defense manufacturing. Now, let's talk margins. Although revenue stayed flat in financial year 25, HAL posted an EBITDA margin of 31% and PAT also increased by 9.8% year-on-year. With execution picking up and capacity expansion underway, we expect revenues to grow at 15% and PAT to grow at 11% CAGR in the next 2 years. And with no debt in the balance sheet and 38,000 crore in cash, HAL has the financial firepower to deliver. From the skies of Tumkur to the runways of Bangalore and Nashik, HAL's production capacity is expanding. Private sector partnerships are coming in and India's defense exports are rising. With a 23% upside and clear growth visibility, HAL remains a strong defense pick. What are your thoughts on India's aerospace and HAL's leadership? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more such deep dive insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.